In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive secure online payments with Jotform. Now, setting up online payments can often seem daunting, but Jotform simplifies this process with their intuitive interface. So, let's walk through this together step by step. First, you'll want to go to jotform.com and sign in using your credentials. This will take you to your Jotform workspace, which is your main hub for managing forms. Once you're signed in, navigate to My Forms. This is where all your existing forms are stored, and it's also where you can create new ones. Next, select the form you want to customize. Jotform offers a very user-friendly drag and drop form builder that makes creating or modifying forms straightforward. If you already have a form started, just click on it to open it up in the editor. If not, you can easily create a new form using their template options. Speaking of templates, Jotform offers a variety of pre-made payment form templates that you can choose from. This can save you a lot of time, especially if you're looking for something quick and functional. You can either stick with these templates or customize them to better suit your needs. Just add or remove fields to fit the specifics of what you're selling or the services you're providing. For your payment form, you'll want to include fields for customer information, product or service details, and finally, payment information. Jotform integrates seamlessly with various payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, Square, and Authorize.net, among others. This versatility allows you to pick the payment gateway that best suits your business needs. If you need assistance choosing, Jotform has a helpful comparison chart on their website outlining features of each payment gateway, helping you make an informed decision. Once you've selected a gateway, connect your Jotform account to it. The on-screen instructions will guide you through completing this connection. It's pretty straightforward and well documented, so you shouldn't run into any major issues. A crucial aspect when handling payments online is security. Rest assured, Jotform is PCI DSS Level 1 compliant, which means it follows top industry standards in processing cardholder data securely. They also use 256-bit SSL encryption to protect the data transmitted between your site and the payment gateway, ensuring that your customers' data remains safe and confidential. Moreover, Jotform does not store payment data on its servers, further enhancing security. Once these steps are complete, you'll be all set to securely receive payments online using Jotform. Remember, setting up online payments is a significant step for your business, and with the right tools like Jotform, you can do it efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.